YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing video to do. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer. And if you'd like to sign them, add it to your cart now and check out. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. We got another special one coming from Lenovo. They got many great things, from computers to all-in-one desktops, laptops, I think tablets, headphones. So definitely check them out. We're going to open this up, see what's inside. I'm talking about all-in-one desktop. Here we go. We got the Lenovo all-in-one desktop. Got the accessories right there. Nice size monitor. This is not a touch. I didn't want to pay the extra for a touch, especially for computers, because I hate getting the screen dirty. You gotta clean it all the time. So, but for cell phones, you know, and tablets, I understand that. But computers, I rather keep it simple and clean. So we got all the ports back here, USBs, HDMI, Ethernet. So pretty simple. You got a full tilt, and you got their logo right there. Gotta remove the sticker. There we go, that's peeled. Now you can see camera right here. And it's not even that heavy either. Just gotta be careful not to smudge the screen. There we go. So camera, flip right there. Push it down. And it has a nice place for your phone, credit card, or whatever you need, pens, writing utensils. So they got a nice little spot for there. Headphones, memory, and here we go. This must be the power cord. Yep. And the clamp for the wires. This little clamp. I'll show you guys in a second where it goes. Here we go. We got the power adapter right here. 90 watt. And we got the cord right here. And next up will be the wireless keyboard and mouse. So it's a combo. I got my own I use, so I barely use their keyboards. But they're good to have for a backup, just in case, you know. Something does go wrong with my other ones, at least I have this for a backup, so hopefully that don't happen. Here we go. It's that time. They got sales going on now. Kick off summer sales, and then Prime Day deals and all that good stuff. That's coming up this year, this summer. So definitely, they're on sale right now, so definitely take advantage of it. So you get the mouse, keyboard, but I'm not going to use it. Maybe for the video, I'll just show it. Because I got to set up my room where I'm going to install this one. And I got to get rid of my other one because that started to overheat. I'm not sure how long these are supposed to last. So I had the one in my room probably 4 years now. Maybe 5. I gotta look back at my video from a few years ago that did the unboxing on that one. So I think they should have a good lifespan. But I do leave mine on all the time. I don't shut it off, so maybe that's another possibility on why the heat sink went out, but I don't know. I always leave my computers on. I'm always on it though, so I mean, that's one of the reasons. Almost there, guys. One more. I'll just get these open out. I mean, these are pretty basic, you know. but for beginners and stuff like that, nothing too fancy. Especially in like college dorms, you don't want to have a nice setup and people destroy it. So, you know, this would be a good backup to have for permanent. Either or, you get the batteries, so you get everything in here. But yeah, definitely, I'm really happy with Lenovo. I used to have Dell, don't judge me on that, but you know how that goes. And never had a Mac. I've always been into Windows, so ever since day one almost, seems like now, that many years ago. But I am down to try new computers out, test them out at least. Get this cord situated, plug her in. I know it's going to ask me for a lot of updates and all that good stuff, so I'm going to pause it and then do the sign up, all that good stuff, enter all my emails and all that good couple hours of doing. That's always a fun thing. But one more twist and that should be free. Now I can put this on the computer. One more time, spin. And then we'll be done with this part at least. Put this in. Okay, that is good to go. And the power is right there. Whoa, little vibration. But for this little clamp, there's grooves on the pole, on this pole right here. See these? I don't know if you can see, but there's a little, yeah, there we go. Right here, there's little grooves that you lock into it. So I'm not gonna do it now because like I gotta set up my room to install this computer. So I'm just gonna leave it out right now until I find a spot for it. Yeah, this thing makes it look nicer, neater, cleaner. Okay, so other computer had a power. This is Intel Core, so good stuff. Audio's by Harman Kardon. Buttons on the side. No disk drive, so those are pretty much outdated now, I guess. Any second, maybe I gotta hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Lenovo. Yeah, this thing's gonna update and all that. We got it going on though. Lenovo. You gotta set your PIN number, stuff like that. So, be right back. And here we go. Alright, no peeking. Password time. Well, it said hello. Great things. So now I just gotta install all my apps and all that stuff. So, it's gonna be a fun night tonight. Oh, lordy. Few minutes. Alright. Definitely going to be changing the background. Stuff like that. So getting into settings. I still got my other info. Okay, good. System. Graphics. So pretty much everything's here. Glad all my stuff got transferred, except for my Wondershare, a few other programs I use. The weather updates. Oh, I gotta do that. Hold on. All right, guys, here we go. Everything looks good, and all signed up, registered. Got my email verification and all that good stuff. So now we're just doing the updates. A really nice screen. Can't complain with this one at all. so far. So, but yeah, it's super quiet. Really impressed. But check them out, Lenovo. We're going to be back in a minute.